Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated running boards on the side. Black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one has the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a black anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 39,655 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.